Alright, so today we're going to be making these little Christmas fridge magnets, and they're shaped like a little ornament ball. They're sliced in half, they have the magnet on the back, and I think they look super cool if you use maybe a triple color filament or a dual color filament. We're going to start with a sketch on the front plane. We're going to grab the circle, start at the origin, 50 millimeters is good, grab the line command, and we're going to go right straight through that circle. So finish sketch. And we're going to revolve half of it by that line, then now it's your axis. Perfect. So now we have the main body, and we need an offset plane. So we're going to go up 25 millimeters, and that should bring us to the top of the sphere. Here we're going to do a second sketch, and we're going to start with another little circle. 10 millimeters works for me, and you want to offset it by 0.2. So we're going to finish that, and we're going to extrude it. So for the first extrusion, it's actually going to be a cut. So you want to grab both circles and you want to go down -3. Now you go to sketches, you make your sketch visible because we're going to extrude the inner circle, and we're going to go 2 sides. So we went down 3, let's go down 2.8, and that should make a little bit of room for the glue. And let's go up 5. All right, and now we're going to make another sketch on the front plane. And it's going to be another circle. And we're going to extrude that circle, but we're going to go ahead and hit symmetric and through it all. So that should make a cut through the whole body. Perfect. And this is where you want to stop if you want to go ahead and hang this on your tree. If you want to make it into a magnet, then we got to continue. So we do split body. We select the bodies we want to split, and our splitting tool is going to be that front plane. Click OK. And now you should notice you have 4 bodies, right? So I don't really need the back ones. I just want the front ones. You hide that sketch as well. And let's get a back view on it. And we're going to make another sketch. And this time we're making a hole for the magnet. So we start at the middle, and the magnet I'm using is about 10.2 millimeters. So I want to make it 10.5. Finish sketch, and we're going to extrude that guy inwards so we can make a cut, and the width is 2.6. And that's it. That will be your fridge magnet. If you want it to just keep it as an ornament, then we go back a few steps, and here you go.